morning. Welcome to Fitous Thai Kitchen. Today we're going to make Gaeng Run Juan. All the ingredients we use today: fish sauce, shallot, garlic, small red chilli, sliced lemongrass, kaffir lamb leaf, chicken. Meat, you can use chicken, you can use beef, or you can use prawn, depending on how you like it. Shrimp paste, palm sugar, lamb, and sweet basil. First we make the paste like we make nampi kapi. Okay, you can watch the previous video how to make nampi kapi, but we still show you over here. But the kapi we need to grill first, make it smell nice. Yeah. Use the banana leaf. We don't have a banana leaf. We use the foil. Yeah, to grill it. We use 1 tablespoon of shrimp paste. Yeah, we give shrimp paste about 5 minutes. หอมแล้ว Okay, this the shrimp paste after we grill become quite dry. Yeah, and then we put in the mortar. And then we put garlic. Bird eye chili. Depend, you can put as you like. Then put palm sugar. You think this one about 5 grams? Yeah, about 5 grams. If you have pea aubergine, you can put a little bit in there. And then squeeze the ram juice. And half tablespoon of fish sauce. We start to cook Gaeng Run Juan, right? We put the water, 1 liter. Okay, we boil the water. When the water boil, yeah, we put a chicken. Yeah, 1 chicken breast. Okay. Okay. Right after we boil the chicken about 5 minutes, we put the shallot. Yeah, don't forget cut in the smaller pieces. Lemongrass. And then put nampi kapi, the one we have made, the kapi paste. Oh no. Yeah, it was simple. Just make use of nampi kapi. and then we put 1 tablespoon of fish sauce because we got all the taste from napi kapi. Not salty enough, a little bit more. And then just boil another 5 minutes. Can't believe, yes, sweet, sour, salty, hot, and very easy to make. This one from King Rama V. Okay, now our Gaeng Run Juan nearly done. Right, last we put kaffir lam leaf in here, sweet basil in here, and then off the gas, and then that's it. If you want hotter, you can put more chili. Okay, this how Gaeng Ranjuan look like. This one this did from the royal family from the King Rama V. Okay, this smell very nice. Okay, let me taste it. Very good. Yes, smell nice from shrimp paste, lamb juice, kaffir lamb leaf, sweet basil, lemongrass, shallot, everything. And not only that, and easy to make and cook at home. And thank you for watching, and then see you again next time. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe.